Kaya nga pagdating na sa Revelation chapter 20, 21, yung tree of life, sino yung tree of life? It's Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Muli yung tree of life from Genesis na nawala, from Exodus to the book of Jude, from the beginning of the Bible to the end, muli nagpakita yung, nag-appear yung tree of life. 3 times in the book of Genesis, 3 times in the book of Revelation. At yung tree of life doon sa chapter 21, sabi niya, nagpapalit ng bunga kada buwan. Nakakita na kayo ng puno literal na ganyan? Buwan-buwan nagpapalit. But that is not a literal. Because tree of life is Jesus Christ.